Finally set off now here in the first of the 400 meters. Out here. Yeah, of course, the favourites, but don't miss out on the Sri Lankans, Iraqians. Out here, the Iraqis making sure that they would want to give their very best out here. That's a bit of a surprise.
Yeah, it's normally a two-bend or a three-bend stagger. I think that they've just run off a two-bend stagger here, but this, well, is assuming the normal order now, but he left it a little bit late. He'll be passing over in the middle, not on the inside. In fact, on the outside, because he was third at 100 metres.
It is Vishal TK who takes the second and not the anchor. He's been fresh from the 400 metres where he won the number one position. Now you take those huge strides, far the most experience of the Indian runners out here. He continues the same momentum. I don't think he's going to push himself because he's got nothing to really lose out here.
Well, it makes it exciting, doesn't it? This next handover, they were at halfway, but this is the halfway point in the race. We've only got 2 laps to go, and you could fit all 3 in a phone box.
Moment I thought that after the first 200 meters, it would be Vishal TK. It's now going to be left to the two of them, Chaudhary and Dharamveer for India. They continued that momentum of that lead. But the Sri Lankans have slowly but surely slipped in now. It's a different game plan for the Sri Lankans.
I think he's gone out very riskily, the Sri Lankan here. You can see his eyes are blazing. He's full on. But let's see if the lactic sniper comes into play in the closing 50 metres, because that was full on. To go that quickly past, there's sometimes a price to be paid.
That lead is not going to hold him in good stead for a time, because the Indians from the inside has made that was a change in strategy. They got plan number B into action out there. Well, for sure, the Sri Lankans out knows it's.
Well, it's deafening. All the kids have come down to the edge of the rail right by the finish line. Not over yet, but India have got some firepower on this last leg, but the other two teams are not rolling over.
Dharamveer it is who takes the anchor for India. He's been a strong 400 meters by himself. Iraq and Sri Lanka are not one to give up there. They're pushing Dharamveer there towards the final 60-odd meters. I suspect he'll take it away.
Look at this for a finish. It's going to the wire and it's going to be Sri Lanka. What a race. Oh, that was some run on the final leg there.
Did I say that the Indians will take it away towards the end?
It's not over till the fat lady sings. Well, his team will carry him shoulder high. It's quieting the crowd right down, because it did look like a lap of honour at one point, but it's that whole thing of over-committing down the back straight, because it's a fine judgment with the levels of lactic that will keep you pumping down the home straight, and the Indians haven't gone to each other. Look at this, look how far he's coming back from. He's in third here, now second, and now with only 10 metres to go. Wow, what an anchor leg that was.
Well, they certainly kept themselves 308.22, and that's a picture which I'm sure the Emerald Isle will celebrate, the 4 of them. We've been talking about historically how strong